Good morning, students. Today we will understand closed packed structures. In solids, the constituent particles are closed packed, leaving the minimum vacant space. Let us consider the constituent particles as identical hard spheres. Imagine spheres as constituent particles and build up the three-dimensional structure in three steps. First is close packing in one dimension, that means in a line. There is only one way of arranging spheres in one dimensional closed packed structure, that is to arrange them in a row and touching each other. Figure 1.17. See in this figure close packing of spheres in one dimension. In a line, spheres are there placed touching one another. In this arrangement, each sphere is in contact with two of its neighbors. Imagine this sphere, this is in contact with two neighbors. The number of nearest neighbors of a particle is called its coordination number. Thus, in one-dimensional closed packed arrangement, the coordination number is 2. B. Closed packing in two dimensions. Two-dimensional closed packed structure can be generated by stacking or placing the rows of closed packed spheres. This can be done in two different ways. First is the second row may be placed in contact with the first one such that the spheres of the second row are exactly above those of the first row. See here this picture, figure 1.18a square close packing. So in this figure, balls are placed in one row and in second row balls are placed above the first row. The second row may be placed in contact with the first one such that the spheres of the second row are exactly above those of the first row. The spheres of two rows are aligned horizontally as well as vertically. They are aligned horizontally as well as vertically. If we call the first row as A-type row, the second row being exactly the same as the first one, A-type row. The second row being exactly same as the first one is also of A-type. Similarly, we may place more rows to obtain A type of arrangement as shown in figure 1.18a. This is 1.18a. Square close packing. You can see there is an atom and its neighboring atoms are 1, 2, 3, 4. That means this atom is touching 4 atoms, 4 neighboring atoms, 1, 2, 3, 4. If we join centers of these spheres, then we will get a square shape. So this is known as square close packing. Okay. In this arrangement, each sphere is in contact with 4 of its neighbors. Thus, the two-dimensional coordination number is 4. What is coordination number? The number, if atom have 4 neighbors, then it has coordination number is equal to 4. Also, if the centers of these 4 immediate neighboring spheres are joined, a square is formed. Hence, this packing is called square closed packing in two dimensions. Second is, the second row may be placed in above the first one in a staggered manner such that its sphere fit in the depressions of the first row. If the arrangement of spheres in the first row is called A type, the one in the second row is called different. If the arrangement of the spheres in the first row is called A type, the one in the second row is different and may be called B type. When the third row is placed adjacent to the second in staggered manner, its spheres are aligned with those of the first layer. Hence, this layer is also of A type. The spheres of the similarly placed fourth row will be aligned with those of the second row. That means B type. Hence, this arrangement is of AB type. See here in figure 1.18b. This is A type arrangement of atoms. Here atoms in the form of balls are arranged in this way. And in B type, that means in B type alignment, where the place is there, balls are arranged there also. Here. So this is called B type arrangement. Again, if we place above the B type row, here in places, in depressions, balls are placed. So these balls are aligned with first row. That means this is called as A type arrangement. Again, when fourth row is placed above A type, then where depressions are there, balls are put there, then we will get B type. This row is aligned with B type row and this is called as B type row. So this arrangement is known as AB type arrangement. In this arrangement, you can see one atom have neighboring atoms 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So its coordination number is 6, and when we join centers of these balls, we will get hexagon. Okay? In this arrangement, there is less free space and this packing is more efficient than the square closed packing. Each sphere is in contact with 6 of its neighbors and the two-dimensional coordination number is 6. The centers of these 6 spheres are at the corners of a regular hexagon. Figure 1.18b. Hence, this packing is called two-dimensional hexagonal closed packing. It can be seen in figure 1.18b that in this layer there are some voids. That means spaces, empty spaces. These are triangular in shape. The triangular voids are of two different types. In one row, the apex of the triangles, that means vertex of the triangles, are pointing upwards and in the next layer downwards. See here, space or void is of triangular shape. So in this row, apex or vertex is downwards and in second row the apex is upwards. Okay, That's all in this session. Next we will do in next session. Thank you.